Is it under the blanket? Should we see? Should we lift it up? Can you lift it up? What is it?
Bicycle.
Is it a bicycle?
A motorcycle.
Put your feet on it. Sit down. You gotta sit down. You gotta push the pedal. I think you push the pedal.
Now you gotta steer it.
Steer, push the pedal, push that foot down.
Watch out!
So we go get mommy here. Grandma will help you steer, okay? Okay, you gotta steer. Okay, stop.
Now put your foot up and stop. That's how you stop.
Lift up your foot. See that? Stop.
Whoa, 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 stop, stop, stop. Go that way. Turn that way. There you go.
All right. Put your foot down. Oh, okay, we gotta steer. We're working at steering, man. Stop. Good job. Oh. Okay, should we go back to it?
Yeah, turn around.
We'll go see mommy. Turn the wheel.
He's kind of leaning toward the left, Mom.
I got it.
Okay.
Turn the wheel around. Go see mommy. Hey. Good towards mommy.
Put your foot up. What is it? You gotta steer.
Oh my goodness! Where are you going? Okay, good job. Oh.
What is it, Matthew?
Bulldozer.
Is it a bulldozer tractor? Like the one in the parade?
Oh. Oh, good job! You did it all by yourself.
Stop, stop. You steer, you gotta steer.
Good job. All right, Green can't bend over anymore.